Hello guys, welcome to episode number 4 of my Shymkent 2020. Today's episode is something completely different. I'm going to show you the dark side of Shymkent. When I say the dark side, I'm not talking about sort of criminality and drugs and all that stuff. I just mean kind of the forgotten part of Shymkent, shall we say, where it maybe doesn't look as good as some of the things I've shown you in my previous episodes. Let's look around. So I want to show you guys this really cool place called Avtorazbor. This is where, like, I guess they deal with like car parts and stuff, and you can see it's got like the Transformers thing on there, and if we look further ahead we can see yeah, the Transformer there. If we look to the right hand side we can see some cool thing there, a Jeep. Yeah, so guys, look at this, what we can see here. Right at the top there is a real car that someone managed to stick up the top there. Pretty cool. So as I was saying to you, this is a bit of a kind of wasted area. We're walking into this gated place now. I don't know what it is, but there's not much going on here by the looks of things. Looks like it's abandoned. This is all a little bit Bald and Bankrupt if you watch his channel. I'm sure you'd love it here. So we've got some tennis balls growing on this tree. So there you go. If you didn't know, Kazakhstan grows tennis balls on its trees. If we just have a look at the view from behind as well, where my car's parked, you can see it all looks rather grim and industrial. So look at this building here, destroyed. Looks like a bomb's hit it. So I've got no idea what this used to be, but it's obviously all been destroyed. Oh. Okay guys, now it appears we have what looks like used to be some kind of fountain, probably back in the Soviet days, but it's obviously all disappeared now. This was obviously something important back in the Soviet Union, but it's all been deserted and destroyed. I don't know what it was. Another ruined building there. It looks like it goes on for some way, this actually. It's a dog. Jesus, I almost fell in that hole. If you're not looking, you'll fall in there. Very spooky. So yeah, we just saw a dog there in that building, that ruined building. Decided not to enter. We didn't want to upset the dog, scare it away. What's this? Look at the windows up there, smashed. place really has seen better times, hasn't it? Certainly wouldn't like to be stuck here on a cold, windy, rainy night. Found another ruined building here. It's been just left to decay. You can imagine back in the Soviet Union, this must have been like a real sort of lively, happening place. It was all happening back here in the Soviet days. And look at it now. Just been left complete and utter ruin. I'm actually a little bit afraid to go in there. I mean, I don't think the building's going to collapse on us, but who knows what's in here? Dogs, wolves, who knows? So yeah, I mean, look, it's massive in here. There's a few more dogs roaming around. I mean, this was obviously some kind of huge factory that was producing things in the Soviet Union days. But yeah, all gone to ruin now. And I think you probably get a lot of these sort of places, you know, around the former Soviet Union, that when the Iron Curtain collapsed, so did a lot of these, you know, factories. You know, the financial problems of, you know, each individual country that gained its independence, they probably weren't able to carry on financing the factories and all that. We've come across some sort of basement, underground bunker of some sort here. Let's have a look. What is it? Wow, I wonder what they used to store down there. You can see it really just goes on, you know, such a long road ahead with all these abandoned buildings. I actually didn't know this existed. I actually only came here today just to film that first thing that I showed you, you know, the car parts place. And then right next to it I saw this place and I thought I'd come and investigate. And I'm glad I did, because yeah, it's interesting, isn't it? Something here on the left, big pit of some sort. I wonder what this used to be. Found a couple more buildings that have been left to rot. This looks like it was some sort of storage place, perhaps. You know what? I am going to find out what this whole area is. If anyone knows, if you're from Shymkent, what was this place? This whole area that we're looking at. This abandoned building as well. I mean, who knows what you could find in here? Dead bodies, anything. Kind of spooky. Look, what's that down there? What's underneath that cover? I dare to find out. There's not a soul around, you know, this place. We're the only ones in here. Another building here. Wow, look at that. You got one of those Soviet murals up on the wall there. That's absolutely brilliant. What does it say? Wow. What does it say? Udarny trud? And it's got the Soviet Union symbol there as well, the hammer and sickle. This is brilliant. This is pure Bald and Bankrupt content you're watching here on my channel today, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. So trud, it means like hard work, you know? Udarny trud. Ayim, can you help me?
Udarny, hard as in hard.
Yeah, work really, really hard. Look at that. And he's holding something as well. Can't see what it says. Something plan. Strechny plan, I think it says. Meeting plan. Wow, that is brilliant. With the old hammer and sickle. This is a piece of Soviet Union history you are watching now on Travel with... What's my channel called? I've got my name on my channel. Lots of journeys. I used to be called Travel with El Capolino, but I changed my channel's name. Look at that. Who knows what this is? Should we have a look? Toilet, I think it's that. I don't know. And as I say to you guys, the best thing about this is, I didn't even know this existed. This was not the reason for me making today's video. I honestly was just going to show you that car place at the beginning, and then I was going to take you somewhere else as well. It wasn't here. So we really got lucky here. What's all this stuff on the floor? Who knows? Been lying here since Soviet times, perhaps. Just well. Okay guys, so I've just been told, if we look again at the Soviet mural, that of course there's a number 5 written, printed there. And yeah, as I said, the guy's holding like a kind of something in his hand called Strechny plan. Meeting plan, and as it says there, Udarny trud, so work really hard. But I want to show the emphasis on the number 5. So my wife has told me she thinks the 5 is to do with there was a 5-year plan. I don't know exactly, we don't know exactly what it is, but like a 5-year plan to get the work done. Obviously the Soviet Union was all about, you know, working together as a team, or camaraderie, and getting things done. So we've come across some other human life here. There's a little boy with some, what are they, sheep? So my wife just asked Mo Salah in the Liverpool kit there if he knew what this whole place was, who's looking after the sheep. He said it's just some factory, doesn't know what the factory was. So yeah, it's a little bit of a mystery. I'm sure someone knows. Okay, and there's a workman there of some sort there, and a dog. I think we're going to end it here. We're not going to go any further, but very glad we have made it here and found something new I didn't know about in Shymkent, so it's all good. So there's been a bit of a change of plan. I just told you we were kind of finishing things. I was going to go back to the car, but then I thought, well, there is a man there doing some work. He's an old man, oldish man, so let's go and ask him what this whole place was. It makes sense, doesn't it? Follow me.
Саламатсызбы. Сурасам боладымы? Біз болса мына жерде жүрген едік та, осы жерде қандай завод болған, білмейсіз ба историясын?
Мына жерде барсаңыз ана ақ болыпты. Сол историяны бәрін сол.
Біледі ма? Аты кім болады екен? А? Жанғали.
Ана жерде мектеп ана КамАЗда тұрады, жерде анда сол жағында.
Всё, хорошо, рахмет үлкен. Let's go.
Right, so I've taken over the filming. My wife is in front of me. We just asked someone what it was. I don't think he really knew. We're going to ask some workers instead. Okay, so we've just asked those builders there, those workmen, what this whole place was. I don't really know, but they kind of, the whole area was called Shifrany Zavod, which is like slate, you know, like kind of to make a roof on a building. So I don't know if every single factory here was related to slate, but the whole kind of place in general was called kind of the slate factory area. But yeah, we're still trying to find out more information for you guys. So the guys, that is the end of today's video. As I said, it's the dark side of Shymkent, something different, something interesting, you know, a bit of a piece of history here. So guys, if you did like today's video and you're not subscribed already, please do leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, because believe me, in Shymkent there are more places like this, I can find them. And if you want me to go there and film them, then I will. Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.